Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless module, and DC-in module. Removal. Disconnect the right fan cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the fan. Disconnect the left fan cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the four 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fans to the motherboard. Note: the thermal module has numbers adjacent to the following 6 screws. Remove the 6 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the thermal module over the processor components in numerical order. Note: due to the adhesive quality of the thermal grease located between the thermal module and the processor components, it may be necessary to move the thermal module from side to side to detach it from the motherboard. Carefully lift the thermal module off the motherboard and remove. Note: before replacing the thermal module, the thermal grease should be replaced. The thermal grease should be replaced every time the thermal module is removed. Reverse this procedure to install the thermal module.